Imagine discovering a powerful AI video tool hidden in plain sight and it's completely free. That's exactly what happened with Google Veo 3. While everyone was busy paying for Kling, Runway, or Sora, Google quietly launched Veo 3 inside Google Vids without any announcement or tweet. A Reddit user stumbled upon it, and suddenly the landscape of AI video creation changed overnight. No more monthly fees or paywalls, just open Google Vids and access Veo 3. This cold open sets the stage for a game-changing revelation, showing how Google buried this tool where nobody looks, making paid alternatives obsolete. Let's break down the competition. Kling charges $29 a month, Runway asks for $95, and Sora hides behind a paywall. They're betting you won't dig deeper. But in April 2026, Google quietly activated Veo 3 inside Google Vids. No fanfare, just a silent update. After testing for 12 hours, the results were clear. Every paid AI video tool became obsolete. Veo 3 offers features like unlimited refresh, image-to-video animation, and advanced prompting. You can generate, tweak, and repeat without hitting a hard limit. When you compare Kling's $29 output to Veo 3's free results side by side, the difference is striking. Google's move just ended the era of paid AI video tools. Now let's walk through how to use Veo 3 inside Google Vids. First, open Google Vids and navigate to the Veo 3 tab. For best results, don't use generic prompts like cinematic. Instead, try real camera movement, 24 FPS natural light to unlock more realistic video outputs. If you want to animate a still image, simply upload it and let Veo 3 handle frame-by-frame animation, which beats Kling's capabilities. You can refresh and tweak your prompt as many times as you like, there's no hard limit. Finally, compare Kling's paid output to Veo 3's free results using the same prompt. The difference is clear and you get all this without spending a dime. Impact is undeniable. That free clip from Veo 3 outperformed a $30 subscription from Kling. This isn't a glitch or a temporary loophole. Google has fundamentally changed the game. By making Veo 3 free and accessible, they've ended the era of paid AI video tools. Creators everywhere can now produce high-quality videos without worrying about monthly fees or restrictive paywalls. Google's silent update has shifted the balance, giving everyone access to powerful AI video generation. As we wrap up, remember that this is just the beginning. There's even more hidden in Google's latest update, promising to make your workflow faster and more efficient. If this helped you even a little, do me a quick favor, hit like, thumbs up so more people can find this. Drop unlimited in the comments and I'll reply with a crazy prompt for these tools that'll level up your results instantly. And if you're serious about making money with AI and staying ahead in 2026, subscribe to our channel. I don't post fluff, only things that actually work. Share this with someone who's still paying for AI tools, they'll thank you later. Stay tuned for more secrets and tips on how to maximize your creative potential with Google's latest innovations. Don't miss out on the next big reveal. This is just the start of a new era in AI-powered content creation. Keep exploring and you'll always be ahead of the curve.